So I started recording. So confidently, yes, very good. Okay, see it is post installation. We done yesterday installation. Installation in a two parts. Post installation, pre-installation. Pre-installation means starting. So you inserted a DVD, CD, or pen drive. You boot from your device. Okay, boot from press any key to boot from CD, DVD. That is the first step. What is the second step? Language, keyboard, time zone. Language, keyboard, time zone. Second step. Install now. Then remaining steps, like you have to select, if in case it's showing any operating system window, so like you have to select operating system. Otherwise, the automatically it comes with a accept the license terms. Some operating systems based on the media, so it will ask for a key. You have to insert a key. Okay, you have to insert a key. Then accept the licenses. Then go to customer upgrade. It is a fresh installation. Go to custom. And next one is you see in a hard disk, and you can able to take partitions. You can create a partitions. Okay, so you create a partitions. So by just click on new, apply, okay, kind of stuff. Then partitions are created. Next, installation started. Installation is started. So these are the pre-installation steps. So once installation is completed, it restarts. Once it is restarted, it is show some kind of stuff on your screen. But main important is you have to create a user. In latest version of Windows 10, it is asking for a securities. Okay, so what is your pet name? What is your location? Like that. So you have to give at least minimum 3 security questions in it. And we disconnected from internet. So internet related things not coming because of your Windows 10 also works with a Microsoft account or Office 365 account. So in a post installation, what happened after restarted? So we have to create a account. But in this one, you create a local account, okay, or you can create a Microsoft account, or you can log in with a Microsoft account. If already existed, you can create it directly, or if it is already existed, you can log in. For example, first time you purchase a mobile phone. Okay, first time you means you are already having a mobile phone, but what I'm trying to say is you purchase a smart mobile phone nowadays, Android mobile, you purchased it. It's a fresh phone. Then you power on it. Then what it will ask to connect it to internet. Next one is once internet is connected, it is asked for a Google account, right? So you have to log in with some Google account kind of stuff, right? Generally, we are using Gmail accounts, right? So you can log in with a Gmail account if it is already existing. If it is not existing, we created it on spot. On spot, you can able to create also. Like you purchase it for your mother, you want to put your mother email ID. It is not existing earlier. So what you will do? You will create immediately. So you can log in with Microsoft account, or if it is not there, we'll do it. Microsoft account or a Office 365 account or Microsoft 365. The name is changed. Okay. Earlier it is Office 365 or Microsoft account or your work account. If in case your organization, for example, my organization is Savantis. Savantis is a partner with the Microsoft. Okay, you took a Office 365 account or Azure AD account. Be Office 365 or a Azure AD account. like anything, just work related account. Okay, work account or school account. Okay, school education is school kind of account. So these are the different logins are there. One is local account. So like you have a computer, you have a username and password. You given a username and password. That is your local account. Local account means your PC's account which stores account information stores it in your PC only. What is local account? It is an account means a username and password stores in your PC only. Microsoft account is belongs to Microsoft, like a accounts are like a dot live or a dot outlook. Earlier days we have a one more is there, that is a Hotmail. Is also Microsoft related accounts only. For example, I have an account like a Latif Shaik at the rate live.com. So that's the point. Okay, not dot live. You have to put a live.com. Outlook.com. So morning, mind is not. Hotmail.com. This is your Microsoft accounts. Directly we can log in. So it will sync with your Microsoft. Second one is Office 365. If in case you are using a Microsoft Office 365 Office, like it's monthly you have to pay or a yearly you have to pay. Okay, Office 365. I'm using Office 365 from my organization. Okay, I can log in with that one also. Okay, so if you are connected with internet, so it will show the Microsoft account login or a domain login like that. Okay, Microsoft login it shows. Actually, for our virtual machine, we didn't connect it to internet. We put a VMnet 1. So no physical network access is not there. So obviously it is not showing. So it is showing only for a local account only. So we create an account in Windows 10. Next, once you create an account, so then give a security settings, then automatically you will get a screen. Or we can say our desktop. So whether it is a laptop or a desktop or whatever it is, on your screen it is showing whatever it is showing. It is here. It is. This is called your desktop. So what we can able to see it is GMR. It is desktop. So this is completed. So post installation, but not completed, guys. Here it is in a real time. Means you have some computer is there. You install operating system, and finally you create an account. You got a screen. Then what to do next? That is the point here. You have to install drivers. Drivers. So normally when you buy a computer, so the drivers they put it in some DVD. You purchase a motherboard. Like last time I purchased a computer PC. I assembled it by purchasing individual components. So when I buy a motherboard, I got a motherboard DVD also. So what I have done, so I inserted a DVD and I installed the drivers. So install the drivers. That's the first point. Install the drivers. What is the next point? It is after installation of what are the drivers are very important drivers. Here it is. Okay. First one is make sure that network related drivers are installed or not. Installed or not. Check this thing. Check network drivers are installed or not. If network drivers are installed, okay, I'm removing or not. Make sure that network drivers are installed. Okay, even though you don't get a CD DVD, no problem, but network drivers are installed. Sometimes your new operating system is new operating system, hardware is little older than it, obviously network drivers will be installed mostly, sometimes not. So compulsory check it, my network drivers are installed. So if network drivers are installed, so we can connect to internet, we can directly connect it to internet. So then we can able to download remaining drivers and we can install. Understand? If you don't get a DVD, if in case you don't get a DVD or you lost the drivers, what happened? Make sure that network drivers, at least try to install the network drivers, connect to internet. You can install the remaining drivers. Okay. The point is here, first install the drivers. Okay. First install the drivers. So this is I put a 3 dots. It is like a optional point. Okay. Install the drivers. Connected to internet. Install the drivers. Connected to internet. Okay. Connected internet. Update Windows Defender. Update Windows Defender. Okay. Okay. I put a end or both I'm putting. So after updating Windows Defender, still you want an antivirus. Okay. So you can install and update. Compulsory guys, antivirus. You know, earlier days, now a little bit we have a knowledge, but earlier days we don't have much computer knowledge. What they will do, so the technician will come up and they install a computer and then operating system and everything. They install antivirus. They said don't update it. Okay, so it is wrong. If you have an antivirus, compulsory update is important. Without update, antivirus won't work. It is waste. Okay, so definitions must. Okay, so a lot of people may have seen they use a certain kind of antiviruses, like you know in Maharashtra they use NPNS something is there, network protection something is there. Okay, so that's the fear of virus kind of stuff. They'll scan everything, but they didn't find anything kind of stuff. Okay, so maybe it is works or not, I don't know. So personally, I never use that one. So different antiviruses are there, not that to Kaspersky. Um, so there's some Panda is also there, Avera, Avast, McAfee, like this. There's a different type of antiviruses are there. So do not use two antiviruses in single system. So don't use two antiviruses in a single system. Use only one antivirus which works properly. That's it. I don't use any specific antivirus. Usually Windows Defender is protecting my system, and I'm using for my system is Malwarebytes. So the antivirus I'm using here, it is Malwarebytes. It is look like a very big M. Where is M? It is gone, no problem. Okay, this is Malwarebytes. Okay, I am using this Malwarebytes. I don't scan entire system, I scan only registries. Okay, so because of that one, so then most of the very dangerous viruses will hook to the registries only. If registry is clean, entire system is clean automatically. Okay, so what's it is guys, connected to internet, update your Windows Defender or install antivirus and update the antivirus. So that is first thing. Of course, update, it automatically updates your Windows 10. So your update the operating system is gone. Next, install only required applications and do settings, required settings. So these are the post installation part. So what are the post installation? Create an account. So get into your system, install the drivers. At least try to install the network driver, so then you can connect it to internet. You can download remaining drivers. Connected to internet. So important is connected to internet. Update your Windows Defender, or install antivirus and update your Windows 10. Install a required applications. Okay. So do not connect any usually pen drive kind of stuff or any other kind of stuff. Don't install any miscellaneous applications related kind of stuff, torrent related kind of stuff without installing antivirus or updating Windows Defender. So this is the thing. Guys, understand post installation. But we install Windows 10 in VMware Workstation, right? In a virtual machine. In virtual machine in a VMware Workstation. So important is VMware Workstation. We installed a Windows 10 in a virtual machine using VMware Workstation. So here it is. We install. Okay. We install VMware Tools. We install VMware Tools. What is the advantage of VMware Tools? It's like a little bit drivers, but more enhanced mode and integration will increases. Screen also enhanced. Okay, so that like that we can able to look at the screen in proper. Okay, the integration with your host to your virtual machine increases. So that points will increase. We'll see how to install a VMware Tools. Okay, this is our post installation step. First we have to start the virtualization, guys. Yesterday I put my RAM is 4 GB for installation purpose, but today it's a 2 GB only. Okay, I changed my RAM to 2 GB. Let it start. So meanwhile, I will tell again. Yes, if in case just in case, if in case of what I'm trying to say is just a little list. Okay, yeah, I'm telling again. So guys, any case you got a problem to install, try it. If you tried yesterday, done, good. If you are not done yesterday, today complete it. Daily complete that day practical. Okay. So today also I will tell some practicals directly, all practicals only today. Okay, one by one practical, at least 4 or 5 practicals I am trying to tell you. And afternoon you will complete. So possible, I will put a tomorrow, day after tomorrow, like that Saturday. So 3 days. Maybe in I will tell that one. So tomorrow, from exam tomorrow onwards, I will put a full days. Otherwise, these things won't complete it. Okay. Actually, I want to start the full day classes from today onwards because I didn't inform you yesterday. If you have any problem with the full day classes also, please tell me. So I log in successfully. I created an account is student one. Okay. After this one, I will show you different things like um, power options, additional user account, additional how to add one more account here like that. Okay, so and how to create a disk management like that today we'll see. So you look at here, this is my screen. Still it is showing account is expiry kind of stuff. So 90 days trial version. Problem is if I connect the internet to my virtual machine will get updates. The updates slow down my virtual machine. While it is updating, it slow down my machine. So that's why I'm not added. So but still no problem. Let it come with everything one by one. So yeah, all are came. Yes, this is look at here. My screen is a very smaller one. So right click. It is 1024 into 768 display resolution. Okay, we can able to we can able to change it, but it won't change in generally. So this is 1024 into 768 resolution. This is a small screen it is showing. It is not adjusting according to my current screen also. Second one is I said I will install VMware Tools. Once I install it, okay, I can copy a data from my desktop to virtual machine to desktop, my virtual machine to my physical machine. I can able to copy it. Okay, so it's like a physical machine to virtual machine to physical machine. You can able to copy the data, and also some integration like so better performance, good screen, like it will understand my host machine. So how to install a VMware Tools? Okay, so go to VM. You can see VM. Okay, guys, can you able to see VM? Can
Yes,
you able
sir.
to see install VMware Tools?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so check it. So install VMware Tools. Click on install VMware Tools. Okay, just wait a minute. So either it will pop up directly on the screen and you are waited for a minute, but it is now no pop-up. Yeah, it is pop-up is came like this autoplay. If you click on it, then it is shows like this. Then click on a setup 64.exe. Okay, if you click it, automatically wizard will run. Automatically wizard is run. Okay, I'm not clicking on it. I'm not clicking on it. So why? Because of if in case in your system you missed it. So what will happen? You missed it, like you click on somewhere. Meanwhile, then you missed that notification. So what to do? If you got it, so directly can click on that one. So you can see D drive VMware Tools came. So make sure that it is came. So click on this PC and it is there. Either you open directly or you can open from the Explorer. Okay, directly you can double click and open. Wizard will start automatically, or it will open with the Explorer. I am telling all the scenarios. If wizard is started, no problem. So otherwise, go to window this setup.64. Setup.64. Sorry, setup64.exe file. So by accidentally install this one. Naval, Naval. Okay, but install setup 64. So I'm double click on that one. So we'll get it. Yes, click on yes. Okay, so it's a .exe, it will extract, it will take time. Okay, so guys, if in case your mouse is stuck in virtual machine, how to relieve the mouse from your virtual machine? So it is inside your virtual machine. Relieving of mouse is Alt Control. So it is the hand symbol represent you are outside of your virtual machine. You are in your physical machine. Look at here. Okay. So to insert your mouse into your virtual machine, just click on the virtual machine internally like this. Now it is. See it is. I'm moving here. It is showing something like it is on data. It is there. I just put a Alt Control. Alt Control. See it is nothing. No moment here. So that's the difference. I think its wizard is started. So here it is in backside. Okay, look at here. It is there. Click on next. Okay, so in this one only, click on next. Select complete. Select complete. Okay, if you select typical, no problem. Okay, but better to select complete. Install. That's it. So once it is installed, it is like a installing drivers type only. But thing is, it will ask for a restart. Like when you install certain drivers, like a video drivers, audio drivers. The drivers I didn't given a list of drivers, the important regular drivers. We understand that kind of drivers. Okay. Okay. Drivers. Important drivers are your network drivers, network related, video or display or graphic, whatever the name it is. Audio drivers, chipset. If in case you have a Bluetooth, put a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi adapter like that. So like, okay. So whatever the other drivers are devices based. Okay. So you can able to start. Okay. So it is installing video drivers. Okay. Network related drivers and everything. One by one it is installed. See the screen is visibility is different right now. Completed. Okay. installation is completed. When you click on finish, so when you click on finish, it asks for a restart. It asks for a restart. Okay, meanwhile, I will show you my background screen display. So earlier it is showing 1024 into 768. Of course, I can change it. Even if I change, maybe it not change, but it is a display resolution is different. So normally 1366 into 768 is there, but it is showing little bit less. Why? Because of the width of screen is smaller. So that's why. Any which ways, it is installed successful. Click on yes for a restart. Okay. You don't want to restart, you can no, but it will affect only after restart only. So click yes. So let it restart. Guys, understand how to install a VMware Tools kind of stuff?
Yes, sir.
Finally restart, yes. So that is. So just I've given a name only. I didn't given any steps to what to do or how to do it in this case. Okay. Install VMware Tools. How to install VMware Tools? First go to, make sure your virtual machine should be open. Virtual machine should be open and running. So when virtual machine is running, then only we go to VM, install VMware Tools. Once it is installed, once it is installed, it shows reinstall. Already you click on install VMware Tools, but it didn't install. It didn't install. Cancel VMware Tools. Option will be changed. The name will be changed here. You are not yet installed. You are not yet clicked here. It shows install VMware Tools. You clicked here. Cancel VMware Tools. You installed a VMware Tools already completed. Then reinstall or some other options. Restarting. Install VMware Tools. Okay. If wizard is started, means the notification came. Good. Otherwise, go to this PC. Mostly your D drive means what is your CD-ROM drive. Based on that, it shows like your D drive. Okay. So open that one. 64. What I showed, that is only. So the wizard will start and choose complete. Finally finish and yes to restart. Yesterday I want to show you this one directly, but already you guys are seeing a lot of steps continuously. That's why I didn't show you yesterday. So we'll get little clarity, right? This is finally start. Okay. So this is my system after installation of VMware Tools. See? So this is it. Okay. Anybody having doubt or understand, not understand? Okay. So I'm stop here. So take a